Hey there, the team over at Veehoo has sent over one of their elevated dog beds. I really like the Veehoo product line because they are so easy to put together. There is some assembly required, but it literally takes 5 minutes to set up and you're ready to go. When you open the topper of the bed, go ahead and give it a day or so just to fluff itself out. It'll fluff out and get some of those wrinkles out. This one actually has a pillow at one end of the bed. So if you have that dog that likes to prop his head up on stuff, this may be a good option. I really like the quality of the bed, and once it's put together, it's nice and sturdy for my dog. The bed itself is elevated, which allows for some nice airflow. The topper is waterproof and machine washable. The underside has a non-skid pattern on it. The webbing on the bed is nice and tight, but still allows for plenty of airflow. If you're looking for a new dog bed that is comfortable, washable, elevated to allow some airflow to keep them cool, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.